Hi, guys. So, have you ever been asked, what's your favorite kind of ice cream? And somebody wrote it down. Or have you ever voted for something? Maybe in kindergarten, you voted on what book you liked best or when you should go to recess. If you did, those are called survey. Now, a survey is just when somebody asks you a question and records the data. So today we're going to be working with surveys, and you even get to take a survey later. But yesterday morning, I asked you to vote on your favorite book, and we did, and on the Jamboard. So here I am down here, if you lost me. So this is what we've voted for so far. Now, a couple of you may have voted since then, but right now this is all I have. So I'm going to use these votes to make a tally chart and record my data. So you guys already answered my survey. So yes, you have had a survey before, haven't you? Now, you can do surveys on a lot of different things. You could talk about your favorite food, what kind of pets you have at home, or the car that you drive. These are things that you could collect data on. But today, we're going to use these books, and we're going to put them into a tally chart on a Google Slides, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is come up with a name for our chart. Now, we were talking about favorite books, so I think that's what I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to call it our favorite books, okay? And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it and we know that that is the title. Why do you think it's so important that I put a title first? Because if somebody else comes and looks at this chart, all they're going to see is some books. They're not going to know if we voted for the best book or the worst book, or if we were even voting at all. Maybe they were thinking that's how many Rainbow Fish books I have in my classroom. So we need to title it so that they know exactly what this information means, and it is our favorite books. So we're going to go back to Jamboard. Which one is first here? Rainbow Fish. So let's go count how many votes Rainbow Fish got. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So now we're going to move our tallies over, and we're going to tally and record our data, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, make another line across, 5. Okay, so Rainbow Fish had 5 votes. Do you see how I had 4 and then I closed the door? Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, close the door. Okay, so now let's go and see how many exclamation mark has. Okay, 1, 2, 2. So let's go put 2 tally marks on exclamation point. 1, 2. Okay, now let's go look at Professor Pufendorf. She had 2 as well, right? I can look at that and count that pretty fast. So 2 on that one. Good. Now, I could really easily make this into a pictograph or a picture graph. If I took out the tallies and I put in pictures of the book, right? But we are just going to leave it as a tally chart. Now, your job, you're going to pull up the same chart that we used yesterday, and it's your turn today to ask, let's ask 5 people. 5 people their favorite color. Now, you can ask mom and dad. You could call it aunt and uncle. You could text your sister. Whatever, however you do this. So you can pick your 5 people. And we're going to ask, look, here's the title. What's their favorite color? Favorite colors. So you've got lots to choose from over here, right? So if they said red, what would I do? Drag a tally over to red. What if all 5 people love yellow? I'm going to go ahead and close the door and make a yellow. Now, you have to ask 5 people. If you can think of more than that, go ahead and you can ask some more. This won't be the last time we do this, though, so don't use all of your resources in one fail swoop. Just go ahead and ask the people in your family, and at least ask 5 people what their favorite color is, okay? You're going to take a survey. What are you going to do? Take a survey. When they answer, move the tally over so you can record your data, okay? All right, that's your math lesson for today. Go ahead and ask your 5 people and record your data. Bye, guys.